we're gonna burn those maggots. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the hopper. It needs to have enough pellets in it.
Okay.
Basically, down on the bottom of this thing is a feed auger that feeds them to the firebox. Okay. So
Little corkscrew that.
corkscrew that
Okay.
takes them down there. Now you'll see that's the bag of pellets over there.
Because we didn't fill it all the way up because we were nervous.
Now, if you get curious and you open this little door right here,
They'll all fall
they'll
out.
all fall out. That's for emptying the.
Yeah, it's for emptying it if you've got to do that. Okay, so regular grilling, very simple.
Yeah, we've already done the initial startup, so it's done.
You open the door. What a shock. I know you're shocked by that. You turn it on. Click on. And then you put this to smoke. It says in about 2 minutes, we're going to start getting some smoke coming out of it. Because it's going to feed a few more pellets in there. They're going to get hot and they're going to... Okay?
There's a little firebox down there. The little firebox is
Underneath all that other stuff.
all this, that baffle, all that stuff.
Yeah.
There's baffling, and then there's this plate there.
tray.
Oh, did you want to put foil in that grill tray?
Oh, well, I guess I could just put some on there, yes.
Okay, well then I'll
Just,
shut it back down.
yeah.
It's gonna be hot. Right. That plate right there, all the grease is supposed to fall on that, go down there, and end up in that bucket on the end.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but they tell you to make cleanup easy. You can put some foil on top of that big plate.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
That's what we're gonna do. But I better get something close.
This is gonna make a great YouTube video.
Yes, you have a cute little bucket.
Don't puncture it with your nails.
I know, I know. It's so hard not to, though. Are you going in now? Yes, there we go. All right, so they say for easy cleanup, you do that.
Oh, it's starting to actually smoke a little bit.
They also say you should
I've got it on shutdown.
Yeah.
So it's not feeding anymore.
line that. I don't have the extra huge aluminum foil though. So I think if I just lay it here, life is good. Messing that up for us. Okay. In the meantime, it has probably accomplished all the smoking it's supposed to do.
We turn it on shutdown.
Oh, open and smoke. See, isn't that exciting? 1, 2. We like those kind of steps. But of course, there's all those different temperature settings that you can use for other things too.
Why's the temperature constantly drop?
Because it's open. And he had it off. So now it's like, oh, you want me
It was
to...
dropping even before it was.
Smells like a campfire. Yeah.
You think it's lit?
Oh, bro, that's so lit.
Sure smoking now.
After the pellets have ignited, you got white smoke going out. Whitish gray smoke, right? Okay, close the door. Turn the temperature dial, in this case to high because we're going to grill meat.
What else would you grill?
Oh,
You do vegetables.
you've got all sorts of temperatures on there. Yeah, so you can do vegetables.
So we're gonna ask too many questions.
All right, there you go. Blinks like 5 times. Then it's going to go back to the temperature it's actually at, so we'll tell when it's ready. Now it should start going up. And, you know, they say let it eat for 10 minutes, but the door closes before you put any food on it. I need to sprinkle more stuff on almost all of them. There we go. this on them. It's almost there. It says 4:33.
Very precise.
Yes. Because it's got that probe in there. And there are 2 more probes that are made so that you can feed them through there. And you can stick them into a piece of meat so that you'll know whether the meat is done or not.
Without releasing all the heat.
Yes. And so if you were to do something like a big brisket, that would be what you would use. But we're sticking with the basics today.
Boy, this is
Julie
phoneception.
Phoneception, yeah, that's right. We open it up and start popping these guys down on the grill.
Well, they don't want to move after you set them down.
Yes,
I'm gonna
I'm
be how it is.
discovering that.
Can you take that top one out?
Could have if I'd have thought of it.
Alright, that makes
I
sense.
might use it though. Depends on how much room I got, right? I gotta get this one well in, board. Yep,
It's done.
it's done. It's on there. There we go. Close it up. 6 minutes on the clock. Ah, come on. Stab it harder. Right now, they're not done yet.
Because it need another 6 minutes.
Yep, another 6 minutes. I have a suspicion this is a little on the rare side. But it's not too bad. I think
Springy.
2 more minutes? What do you think? 2 more? We call it done, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Sure.
Okay. Shut down cycle, not the smoke one. Shut down. Yeah. That one's yours and this one's mine. Yeah, there it is. And we close it while it's doing this, right? Because the whole point is it's supposed to do that itself, right?
Okay.